आज़म अनवार-ul-हaq काकर इस वक्त अमेरिका में मौजूद हैं और समिट से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Or health crisis. First, science must be put at the disposal of all humanity. Access to a scientific breakthrough or discovery, which is essential to save lives, cannot be protected regardless of IP rights. This should be treated as a global public good and be available to all countries and companies. Second, commercial companies or private donors and actors should not be put in charge of determining vaccine or medical production and distribution. This should be determined in intergovernmental negotiations under the auspices of WHO. Third, we should also commit to remove trade barriers, strengthen supply chains, facilitate the movement of medical and public health goods, diversify manufacturing capacities across regions, and promote technology transfer for developing countries. Fourth, financing effective national, regional, and global health emergency preparedness will require approximately $30 billion per year, including new external financings per year outside current official development assistance levels. This should be provided from all sources, including allocation of SDRs or the recapitalization of multilateral, regional, or national development banks. While this high-level meeting and the adoption of political declaration will help to galvanize political will, we believe that the issue of pandemic preparedness against future pandemics. I thank you.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।